Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to a new edition of the diesel motorcycle build. So I actually am just about done with the Predator 212 motorbike. I'm looking for a sprocket. I just ordered it, so it should be on the way. But in the meantime, I'll be working on the diesel. Alright, so here it is. It's been slightly longer than a year since I've really done anything to it. I don't even remember where I left off, but I do believe that I didn't film me putting on the battery or the the whole system to make it start electrically. I also modded the exhaust a little bit more so it's under the seat. Little did I know that this engine actually has its own generator in it, so it's meant to charge a 12-volt battery, and it has a little charge controller and whatnot here. And yeah, so I went to Home Depot and bought a battery, and now it starts electrically, so that is really awesome. Another thing I want to mention is that before, this only went about 35 miles an hour in 5th gear. If you remember, there's reverse and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I got to do is lift the engine up, because I still got all that frame space right here, and then I can fit a bigger sprocket on the output of the engine here, or on the torque converter here, so that it goes a little bit faster. In today's video, what I'm actually going to be doing is setting up some sort of mount for an HID light kit that I bought about a year ago. So I'm thinking I'm going to make something that sort of looks like this. So I got to make a mount right here and set up all the electronics. So let's just get right onto it. So I have the mount on the motorcycle now, and I just got to figure out how to get these lights to actually light up. So I think these are kind of like fluorescent, as in they have like a ballast. So there's the ballast. So these run on AC, I believe. So they need some sort of converter. So maybe that's it there. All right, with a little bit of Googling, I managed to get the bulbs inside of the housing, and I think it's ready to be put on the bike. Alright, so I got everything connected, and now I got to connect this to a switch. So I'm just going to jimmy rig it right now, and just going to put like those on there for a second. And something that's really cool is the high beams and the low beams for this is actually a mechanical device. Works on a solenoid inside of there that just blocks, once it's triggered, it blocks half the light. Alright, so on the switch, if I connect this terminal with this terminal, that's the high beams. So, and then you should be able to hear the solenoid. I think you can see it better if you actually are looking at the opposite wall. gonna lie, I think that looks pretty rad. So I just kind of got it Jimmy donked on there. We have the switch, controls the lights. There's a simple, just for now, you know, something temporary. And this is kind of how I put the battery on there. I just got some this metal that I had laying around and drilled a hole through it. Welded a bolt on this side. Got a long belt. And so you can just tighten the battery on there, just like that. So that's pretty neat. So anyways, before I end this video, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start up the bike and maybe see if the light turns a little bit brighter. And give you guys a little bit of a, you know, I guess a cold start since it's been about a year. So yeah. Well, there it is, guys. She still runs. Some bolts and stuff falling off of it while it was, but hey, it still runs real nice. And for the lights, I think I want to make like another part, such as what I have right here. That kind of goes on and up like that, and then you can just make the dashboard right here. But guys, I think that is it for today's video. Hopefully sometime soon I have the parts for the bicycle and I can make a little video and driving. But until then, thanks for watching.